Right guys, we're going to check the element, the air cleaner element there, so try and remember how it goes. No, you don't need anything to do with that, so must have been another car. But just get one of these tools and you can pop these clips. You can use a screwdriver. And you just want to take these middle bits out. Sometimes the whole bit comes out, like that one. Just put them somewhere where you won't lose them. That one, a little bit in there, and this one here. I changed this a fair while ago. We'll just see what she looks like. She's pretty manky. We got a sparey. It's nice to have a nice smell in there anyway. So, yep, that's as you can see, take it off my holster. It's pretty bugged up, so we'll reach it in. This is the Ryko, and you can see all the shit in it. So this is pretty overdue for a change, I'd say. So we'll get the new one out, and might see if we'll vacuum in here. I think there is a way to actually. You pretty much have to take this whole thing off to get in there if you don't want to bend it up. Alright, might do that, take the whole thing off. Yeah, so just out, I bought a Secura carbon activated filter. That's the part number there. Don't know if it has anything else, but I think that one was a Ryko previously. Cabin filter. Yeah, anyway. So we'll have a look. Good plastic. So we got some instructions there. What does it say? Location, blah blah blah. I don't know which way is what. So it actually says it there. Motion. So it's got to face this way, and I imagine that's up. So I'm going to put the date on here anyway. Made in Indo. So I've been making a habit to put the dates on here, so I don't know how long it's been installed for. Second, it's not the second anyway, that will do. 2nd of the 8th 24. So and then I'll just put an arrow here because I've got a goldfish brain. Goes like that. So you might have to twist and contort it to get it in, but yeah, it's pretty much press fit. So I'm just gonna try and do this with the camera rolling. So bear with me. Alright, so I've given it a clean in there best I can without putting too much shit everywhere. Alright. That's not going to be fun, is it? No. So you sort of contort it a bit, try not to kink it. Alright, put this away. nearly there. Come on, buddy. That's not fun. So that's in. So I'll show you what I'm dealing with. Take you off here. So that's in there, and you just want to pop it. So what I'll do is I'll do that off camera, but you press that in there. Guys, our finger banged it a bit, so yeah, it's in there. By no means a perfect fit, it's pretty tight, but I think I had dramas with the other one being a bit loose, so you know, it's depends which make and model you get, I suppose, like anything. But yeah, as you can see, that's in there, and yeah, hopefully a couple more years. All right, cool. All you need to do is put those 4 rivets back in. So I don't know if I need to explain that, but just make sure they send them home and do the rest of it, and that's the air cleaner done.